In our part 1 of this video, we have seen that when the trade is going in our favor, we are not leaving things to chance. We know that market can reverse anytime. We do not want to book the profit as of now because we are expecting more profits also. So we are not leaving things to chance. We are locking our trade in such a way that okay, even if the market reverses, there is much better probability of success. That is how an expert trader really operates, and all this planning is done, as I said in my previous video also, all this planning is done before taking the trade, because after taking the trade so many things are guided by the market direction only. So we have discussed four distinct possibilities. One is if trade is going in my favor initially, and how to lock profit, that we have seen in that video. Second is in case trade is going in my favor, can I lock profit and then can I increase profit also? So I promise that okay, in this part 2 I will be showing you when the trade is going in your favor, can I just passively take that profit or can I do something actively to make that trade more profitable. Welcome to another video by the Option School. This is your friend Pradeep Singla. In today's video, I'll show you when the trade is going in my favor, what small steps I can take to make the trade more profitable. In the previous trade, we have seen that okay, initially the trade could have given me 10,000 rupees profit, but because I have locked the profit, the overall maximum profit was reduced to 7,700. So today we will see, can we again increase that 7,700 to 10,000 or maybe even more than that. You can join our YouTube WhatsApp community. The link is given in the description. Let's go back to Opstra and pick up threads from where we have left. Last time we have left the trade at a point wherein we had just locked the profit. Now today we will see, once I have locked the profit, what can I do to increase the profit. Please click like button and subscribe button. All your likes and subscriptions are very precious to us. Thanks in advance. Let us now move to the trade. This is the position as on 9 December. Now in this case, what we are seeing, my maximum profit has reduced from 10,000-11,000 rupees to 7,700 rupees. Can I do something to increase this profit? So if I want to increase this profit, obviously I need to have little bit more margin. Here what I am seeing, that market has tanked down substantially from where I have created the trade, and -1 sigma also shows pretty far away strike prices. So I'll go to option chain again and I'll try to see if I can add a sold put, because there is a decent range up to which I'm going to have a profit only. So what I'll do, I add 25,100 put, which is worth 46.4 rupees into this trade, and I will sell it. Obviously, this will require some extra margin. To reduce the margin requirement, what we can do, we can buy some weekly put option. If I buy weekly put option, in this case, the payoff diagram will go haywire. So as of now, I am not doing it, but it will hardly cost you 2, 3, 4 rupees extra. So that can be purchased. Now, if you see, my maximum profit has again touched 11,255 rupees. Remember, our aim was that okay, in case market is going in my favor, first, how to lock my profit. Second, after locking my profit, can I increase my profits? So here from 7,700, I have tried to increase my profit to 11,255 by just simply adding one small put. To take care of the extra margin requirements, I will buy one weekly put, and that I might require to do once or twice or thrice also. It will take away 5 to 6 rupees from me, which is okay. Now this adjustment has now two benefits. One is my maximum profit has increased. Second is, in case market really goes up, remember when we have done it, if market goes up, it was giving me only 600-700 rupees profit. But now if market really goes up also, I am still making a decent profit of 37.53. So at least 37.53 on upside is ensured, and there is a chance that okay, I can make 11,700 rupees or 11,000. I can make 11,000 rupees also in this trade. So this is the second step wherein we are trying to increase the profit of the trade even when market is in the favor of the trade. Let us see now how this trade pans out. If I go to some days after expire, if I run this trade for some more days, let us see what happens. Okay, next day nothing much has happened. Next day 5,900 profit. Next day market has gone up a bit, 5,900 profit. After that 6,753. After that 7,000 rupees. and then 7400, 8300. So you're seeing by 18th of December, I'm making 8300. If I have not added this extra put, then my maximum profit was 7700. And that would have happened only very close to expiry. But in this case, it is happening even on 18th of December, a good profit. And if you see this put is giving me decent 2200 rupees extra. Let us run this trade further and see what happens. Okay, 75. Slight reduction. Market has gone up. So since profit is already locked, I am going to have some profit. There is no issue in that at all, as long as market is on the upside. My lower break even is very, very far away, around 24,950. Market is right now 26,130. So 7,600. Okay. Now I am making a very good profit of 9,142. I must close this trade at this stage. But if you see on last day also, excellent profit, 11,000 rupees profit we are getting from the same trade. We started it as a directional trade. Direction was in our favor. Then we said in what will happen in case market reverses. So we locked the profit of the trade. And then after locking the profit of the trade, we said, okay, can we increase the profit of the trade? So we have added another put and we have increased the profit of the trade. And ultimately you are seeing we are able to book around 11,000 rupees profit in this very simple trade. Now same things can be done with any other trade also. Now I have covered first two parts of this series. Now third and fourth part is what in case the trade is not in my favor. Initially in this trade the trade was in our favor. Now we will see what will happen in case the trade is not in my favor. First principle there, I need to protect my capital. So initially the trade was losing some 4,800 rupees. So how to protect my capital and what adjustment I should do so that that 4,800 loss doesn't happen to me? A. B. Can I do something more to make some profit also? If possible, we will see that also. And obviously in those scenarios, definitely margin requirement may not remain same. It may or may not remain same. We may require to increase the margin also, because we will be increasing the positions, because our initial assumption about the market has gone wrong. We were bearish, but it is not bearish, it has become bullish. So then obviously there may or may not be some additional margin requirement also in the trade. We are going to see that in part 3 of this video. We are conducting an iron butterfly workshop on 26th of April. We will be talking about how to create the trade, what kind of trade we should be creating, then how to adjust the trade, and then after creating the framework, we will be backtesting it for 12 continuous months. That will give us an edge that, okay, we know the theory, we also know the practical usage of the framework also. If you wish to enroll, please contact the numbers given on the screen. Our silver members qualify for 10% discount, and all our iron corner participants will get 25% discount. You can still become our silver member and enjoy videos on deeper topics about options trading. The tools and techniques shared with silver member videos can be really helpful, especially in case of bad markets. I am leaving you with another very interesting option trading strategy video. You will definitely like it. Do subscribe to the channel if you have not done it so far. See you in the next video. Wishing you all the best. Thank you.